I was able to reach the hose in here and clean it from the inside too. And there's only like four wires screwed on. Snug those up. Oh, here's one here. Oh, this is turned it off. Fuse. And I'm letting it dry out before I screw it back on today. And we got water in the holes. I don't want them to rust. I had to put a tie on here because the wire was loose and it was caught in that panel. Clean that out. Clean that out. Clean that out. It's the heater. Nothing really in there to mess with. This is the cooler.